Good morning, everyone. I am presenting to you from the Workshop School. We're located in West Philadelphia. I am Jerry Tobias, your friendly school counselor. Joining me, hopefully, will be my principal and our assistant principal and Mr. Lawrence, our climate manager. They've both been invited. But the Workshop School, or the purpose of this overview, is to show what the Workshop School is about to eighth grade counselors. We'll cover information about admissions criteria, extracurricular activities, elective sports, school-specific information, and we'll talk a little bit about what sets us apart from other schools. As a part of the school district, and we are in the Innovation Network, the Workshop School is a project-based high school serving grades 9 through 12. Our curriculum is mostly centered around real-world context and career pathways with the goal of equipping students with skills and knowledge to pursue authentic careers and lives upon graduation. We really focus on our projects being integral parts of our students' lives now and after they graduate high school. Some of the things that our families and students have shared over the times that they like about our school: we have a small school, about 200 students, a very caring staff. Our teachers communicate with our parents very regularly. We also have a great CTE component, our auto technology and auto body program, which we'll talk about later. Our maker space. We have a strong support staff team here. We offer AP courses and internship, college classes, student engagement, and our cell phone policy enforcement. I would like to say our parents like that more than our students. Our admissions criteria, since the Workshop School is a citywide school, I think we all know what that means. All students in the school district can apply for admission. And, you know, we're lottery based. So students come from the far Northeast, students come from South Philly, West Philly, Southwest Philly, North, everywhere throughout the city. So our student body is made up of a lot of different components of the city. So all students can apply. Some of our academic offerings, our student to staff ratio is about 20-1. We have a very small very small student population. Our 11th and 12th grade students have access to dual enrollment courses at Community College of Philadelphia. AP English classes, AP Calculus are both offered to students here in the school itself. Our students also have the opportunity to be a part of a very successful auto mechanic program and our auto body program, led by some very good industry leaders. Both of our auto leaders both are products of the school district of Philadelphia, and they also come from industry. So from that, we've learned that we have partnerships with and internships for our students and employment opportunities included with the Philadelphia City Fleet Department, Central City Toyota, SEPTA, and Pacifico Ford, just to name a few. Our school offers something else unique. We have what we call passion projects. And as you can see there are a list of different courses. Every Wednesday, our students take a 90-minute course of their choosing of those topics there. It's kind of our way of integrating our small school. All you can be in the 9th grade in the class with 12th graders, but you're all talking about topics and things that you're interested in, led by teachers and their own personal passions. That's why we call them the passion projects. I'm currently doing the student ambassadors, where we're teaching students about being leaders and projecting and promoting the Workshop School. Our school day begins at 8:15 a.m. and ends at 3:19 every single day. Every Wednesday, our students are dismissed at 12:45 so we can have professional development and students get an opportunity to work or do internships or other things that they need to do. Do we require uniforms is a question that everyone asks. We do have a Workshop School polo. Shoulders and midriffs have to be covered. That's something that's a challenge for teenagers, but that's something that we really push back on. Our personal choice, you get a personal choice on pants. You don't have to wear uniform pants, but no shorts and no holes in pants. Shoes, closed-toe shoes, because we have auto shops here and that can be dangerous. And our cell phones are collected daily and redistributed. Well, I can't get that word out. Are collected daily and given back out at the end of the day. It's a policy that's about 2 years old now, and it really works well, and we've seen great success, and the parents love it. The students not so much, but they fall in line. Some of our extracurricular activities, one thing about sports, we have a partnership with West Philadelphia High School, which is about 2 blocks from us. All of our students play, sorry about that, go back. All of our students play sports there. Every sport you can name or you think of in the city that the school district offers, our students have access to it. And it's a great partnership. We actually have a football game today. Some clubs and activities that we offer: student council, women of workshop, which is because we have such a large male population. A few years ago, one of our students and teachers created a group to help support the young ladies in our school. We have a very competitive chess and math club, award-winning, if you will, art club and design club, and we also have a cosmetology club that meets after school. Some of the special events that our school offers, we have exhibitions. It's kind of like finals. And at the workshop, we're on the trimester cycle. And so every trimester, each student has to stand and present and share their past work with their classmates and their peers and their parents. And it's also an opportunity for the parents to come in and have their parent conferences. So that's a very active thing. And by the time our students graduate from high school, they have presented at least 12 times. And it's a great way for us to kind of check in and engage with our parents and also see what our students are doing. Awards assemblies, we have a very robust awards assembly program each trimester. Monthly virtual assemblies, because we are a small school and we don't have a lot of space. We have virtual assemblies every month. Black History Month programming. Our 11th graders usually do an escape room project where they design 3 different escape rooms, and people from outside our school and our community come in and participate in those. It's a great, fun night. We always participate in the Philly Auto Show because we have an alternative fuels vehicle. We host our own college fair every year. Well, it'll be the 3rd year. And we participate in our partnership with Talent Search, where we go on college tours and we learn about the college application process very early. We also host 3 auto days where parents and families and the community are encouraged to come out and see what our auto program is. We were featured on Fox 29 last year, if that mattered. Support and services. We have a student support team is made up of our climate manager, the counselor, myself, our school social worker, and our real world learning director, who helps our students she helps our students find internships, jobs, current jobs, and also supports the alumni program. How will our students be transported here? Students who reside, as you all know, 1.5 miles away from the school will be given their SEPTA card, or students who have specific instructions from their IEP may be eligible for different modes of transportation, but every student has access to the school, and that's not an issue at all. Just some photos, I guess, us workshopping. As you can see, you see us doing some creative projects. You see our auto body program over there. These are from our college day pictures, from our awards day ceremony, and just a jam session with our vice principal down there in the makerspace. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, I'm your friendly school counselor, Mr. Tobias. I can be reached at jjtobias@philasd or jerry.tobias@workshopschool.org. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.